If you've ever clicked a link in Telegram desktop and wondered why it opens in the wrong browser, the reason is simple. Telegram uses the default browser set on your computer. In this video, I'll show you how to switch the default browser on Telegram by changing your system settings so every link opens exactly where you want it to. This is a quick fix, but it can make a big difference if you prefer Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or another browser for your daily workflow. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Let's get into it. First, it's important to understand that Telegram Desktop does not have its own separate browser setting. Instead, it follows the default browser on your operating system. So if Telegram is opening links in the wrong browser, you need to update the default browser in Windows, Mac, or whatever system you're using. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the Windows method step by step. On a Windows computer, click the Start menu and open Settings. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Windows key +I to get there faster. Once Settings opens, look for Apps on the left-hand side and click it. Inside the Apps section, choose Default Apps. This is where Windows lets you control which programs open different file types and web links by default. Now scroll until you find the Web Browser section. You'll see the browser currently set as your default. Click on that browser to view the list of available options. From here, select the browser you want Telegram to use. For example, if you want links to open in Google Chrome, click Chrome. If you prefer Microsoft Edge or Firefox, choose that instead. After selecting your browser, Windows may ask you to confirm by clicking Set Default. Make sure you complete that step so the change actually takes effect. Once that is done, the selected browser becomes the default for your computer, and Telegram Desktop will automatically use it whenever you open a link. To test it, go back to Telegram and tap or click any web link in a chat. It should now launch in your new default browser. If it still opens somewhere unexpected, double check that the browser was fully set as default in Windows and that your browser itself is installed correctly. Also remember that if you use Telegram on a different device, that device may have its own default browser setting, so you may need to repeat the process there too. That's the key point here. You're not changing a browser setting inside Telegram itself, you are changing the default browser on your operating system, and Telegram simply follows that choice. So whether you want a faster browsing experience, better privacy, or just a browser you're more comfortable with, this method gives you full control over where Telegram links open. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.